Welcome at my new guitar tutorial where I'm going to learn you how to play beginning, middle, end from the Netflix film To All the Boys, Always and Forever. First I'm going to learn you how to play the riff you hear during the whole song. After I'm going to explain the chords you can play during this song. And finally I'm going to explain the strumming pattern of the chorus. Step 1. The riff you can play during the whole song. First you have to place the capo a little bit behind the 2nd fret. We start on the 3rd fret of the E string. And after you play the 2nd fret on the A string. And then you play the 3rd fret on the A string. The timing of these notes goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. One more time and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And then you play the open D string. And then you play the 2nd fret on the D string, which is again on the 4th beat. Now we'll start from the 3rd fret of the A string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And then you get on the 4th beat again an open G string. And we finish the riff with the 3rd fret on the A string. 2, 3, 4. We're going to play the whole riff 2 times. 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. To play the original riff, you have to pick the note more often, because there are 16 notes. So when we start at the 3rd fret of the E string, it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you have to use alternate picking with down, up. Down, up, 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 etc. Step 2. The chords you can play during this song. For the G chord, 3rd fret on the E string, 2nd fret on the A string, open D string, open G string, open B string, and the 3rd fret on the E string. Then we go to the C major 7 chord and you can hold your pinky on the same place. We start with the 3rd fret on the A string, the 2nd fret on the D string, open G string, open B string, and the 3rd fret on the E string. Then you have to play the E minor chord in the following way. You can hold your fingers on the same place as the C major 7 chord, but you can lift your ring finger. So we start on the 2nd fret of the D string, open G string, open B string, and the pinky again on the 3rd fret of the E string. And after we play the C major 7 chord again. Now we're going to play the chords in a row and we strum once a bar. 3, 4, C major 7, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, C major 7, and again, and. Now we're going to add the tiny riff to the chords. First you have to play the G chord. And after we pick the 2nd fret of the A string. And then you play the C major 7 chord. So 2, 3, 2, 3, And then you have to pick the open D string. And then you strum the E minor chord. So, to the second fret of the A string, open D string, 2, 3, and then you play the open G string, and then you play the C major 7 again. From the top, second fret of the A string, open D string and open G string and Step 3. The strumming pattern of the chorus. The chords of the chorus stay the same, but the chorus has a strumming pattern. And it goes like this. Down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, up. And you can see that I keep strumming the ups and downs, but I'm missing the strings. So, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, up. And then we'll head to the C major 7 chord, which has the same strumming pattern. Down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, up. Then we'll head to the E minor chord. Down, 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 up, 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 down, and then to the C major 7 again. Up, 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 down, up. Now we're going to play these chords with strum 2 times. 4 and. In the chorus there's a little addition to the chords, and it sounds like this. And this is the melody we're going to add to the strumming pattern. We don't have to change the strumming pattern, we only have to use our index finger to press an extra fret. And that extra fret is the second fret of the G string. Now we're going to play 3 downstrokes, and the last downstroke has the extra finger. Down, down, down. One more time and down, down, down. And with the upstroke after, you have to lift your finger again. Then you get the down, up, and in this part you have to add your finger again. Lift, lift, add, lift, add. One more time and. With the C major 7 chord you have to add the same fret, the timing is exactly the same. So you have to add the second fret of the G string with your index finger to the C major 7 chord. And lift, lift, add, lift, add. Then we'll head to the E minor chord, which has exactly the same addition and exactly the same timing. So, lift, add, add. And then we'll play the C major 7 chord again with exactly the same addition. Now we're going to play those 4 bars 2 times in a row. 4 and. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.